Okay, we have a U-shaped metal bar which is 120 centimeters long, and the cross-sectional dimensions are 2 centimeters, 13, 12 and 15. We're told that the density is 8 grams per centimeter cubed of this bar, and there's some trolley which can carry a maximum of 250 kilograms. How many bars can the trolley carry? So we need to work out the mass of one bar. We're told the density, so we need to work out the volume, and we use density as mass over volume to get the mass. So volume of a prism is this length times cross-sectional area. So let's work out the cross-sectional area. Well, we need to divide it up sensibly. So we can either do it like that or like that. Doesn't really matter. Let's do it like that. So if that's 15, that's 15. If that's 2 and that's 12, so that little bit is 2 there. That means this inside bit must be 8, because 8 plus 2 is 12. So that's 8. Okay, so cross-sectional area, this bit here is 2 times 15, so that's 30. Same here, 2 times 15, 30. And this bit, right, haven't done that height yet. So that's 15 and that's 13, so the height is also 2. 15 minus 13. So this bit is 8 times 2, which is 16 centimeters squared. Okay, so total cross-sectional area, 30 plus 30 plus 16, which is 60 plus 16. So a total of 76 centimeters squared. So the volume of the whole thing is 76 centimeters squared times the length. So total volume is 76 times 120, which is 9120 centimeters cubed, because it's volume. Okay, we've got the volume of the whole thing. We're told the density, so we can work out the mass using density is mass over volume. So we want the mass, so we have to make m the subject of this equation. So bring the v onto the other side, so bring it up here, and we get mass is density times volume, which is, density is 8 and volume is 9120. Just show you a little thing with units here. 8, if we actually insert the units into this multiplication, we've got grams per cm cubed here, 8 grams per cm cubed. And here we've got 9120 cm cubed. It's a good way of checking that you're doing this correctly, not dividing when you should be multiplying, because we've got cm cubed on the top, cm cubed on the bottom, so they cancel, and we're left with just grams, and grams is a unit of mass, so this is correct. Anyway, 8 times 9120 is 72960. Grams. So the mass of one bar is 72960 grams, which is, move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 to turn it into kilograms. 72.96. We don't need the 0. Kilograms. Right. So this trolley can carry a maximum of 250 kilograms. So how many bars can it carry? Well, we have to find out how many times one bar can go into the total maximum possible capacity. So we have to divide 250 by 72.96. And that comes out at 3.42. Well, you can't have 0.42 of a bar. This trolley can only carry whole bars. So therefore, the maximum number of bars it can carry is 3.